so we are done with fixing the boxes for the lighting point and the fans. We are also done with fixing the boxes for the sockets and those for the switches and then the fan regulators. We are going to do the conduit layout for all these boxes that will be holding our switches and the fan regulators and then the lighting point. To start with, we must have a reference point, and so per the drawing, we are going to mount our first box on the far right end here. Very well. Okay, so in case you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to do that. And don't also forget to share and like. And if after watching this video you see some value in it, don't hesitate to share with others to also learn with us. So here, just as we have on our blueprint or our plan, we have sockets here, then we have switches and fan regulators, and then here we have fans and then lighting points. Okay, so for the conduit run, I would like to start with the sockets, and as much as possible we want to follow the conduit route as shown on the plan. Okay, so there are several ways of securing the conduit runs on the wall. This is surface conduit wiring. And so there must be a way to secure the pipes onto the surface so that they cannot easily remove. And if you are doing that, that must be firmly done. Now, in this video, I am going to use spacebar saddle. Now, importantly, the number of saddles you are going to use to hold a particular length depends on how long the conduit is. So, we are going to start from here and move towards my left. So we have one circuit for the sockets in this area, and the same circuit is linked with this one, and then completes in the consumer unit. Then we have another circuit here for these three. All right, so we are done with the conduit layout for all the power circuits. So in the next session, we are going to do the conduit layout for all these boxes that will be holding our switches and the fan regulators, and then the lighting points. All right, so subscribe to stay connected, share the videos, and then like if you truly have gained any additional knowledge from watching this video. So without wasting much time, we are going to continue with the conduit layout for the lighting system and the fans. Okay. So far, we are not done with the conduit layout for all the circuits in the wiring. Okay, so this is one of the major aspects of conduit wiring. And if you do this and you get it wrong, then it means you are going to mess up everything. And that is why it is very important to sit down and then plan your work. If possible, get it on a paper and then you carefully transfer it onto the actual working surface. It's also possible that during the layout or during the real work, it's allowed, if necessary, to still make certain adjustments. And so during the conduit layout itself, if you realize there are certain conduit runs that could be done in a more simple way, you can still do those adjustments. All right, so we'll end this section here and continue in another video. In the next video, we are going to start with the wiring itself. So from selecting the right color codes to the right size of cable for each of the circuits to running the cables into the conduit. In case of the trunking system, you lay the cables into the trunking. But in conduit wiring, there is a different way that we do that. And so we are going to look at all that in the next video. In case you have not yet subscribed, subscribe. See you in the next video.